Just for simplicity's sake on that. Be extra careful if you're going to do this. It's not my fault if you mess your hand up. Pretty straightforward. You're lining these bolts up or wrench it. Is there something? And they got the Loctite on. Let's make sure they're really tight. Even pressure. You don't slam the brakes, so you let off and then press a little bit, let off. And that's how you get your pads seated and then worked into the rotor, so you're not ending up making grooves or messing up your brand new brakes. Okay. If you didn't know, now you know. Hold it still. Get it right on the flat so you're not boogering up that rubber or making it spin or boogering up your fasteners. There you go. That's all you need. You don't need a ton of torque on these. Just get them bottomed out and good and tight. You're not taking a 20-inch breaker or 20-foot breaker bar on them. Okay? The little ones especially. The other ones that I just got done doing, the bracket one, I don't know. That needs a 16. Let's correct it. Okay. Gotta run this on here. The magic number. Okay. There we go. Not that. Trying to shoot for accuracy and safe repairs. So you gotta make sure you want to hand thread these. I'll show you what I'm doing. Okay, that'll be it for this video. You can put the cap on. Pretty easy to figure that out. Till next time.